Hello, what's up everyone? My name is Pranav Sharma, and in this video we will be solving one of the problem that we get on contest on Codechef, and the name of the problem is fake certificate, and it's of Starters-125. And let's read the problem statement first. So you are given a binary string S of length n, representing the attendance sheet of Alice. For the days when Alice went to school, SI equals to 1, otherwise SI equals to 0. So the overview of the problem statement is this, that you are given a binary string S of some length n, and it's attendance sheet of Alice, and the day Alice was present, that was marked as 1, and the day Alice was not present, that day marked as 0. And Alice wanted to increase her attendance, so she can perform some following operation, and she can perform the following operations only once, right? So that's the condition, that at most once she can perform that operation. So what is the operation? The operation states that she will find a substring when she was absent, and give her medical certificate, and then it will become present. That's what usually happens with the various colleges, right? When our attendance is short, we give just medical certificate to teachers. So that's the operation that Alice will perform, and we need to help her in performing this operation. So the input format is pretty simple. Here we need to input the integer t as our number of test cases, and each test case will contain integer n, the length of the string, and the second line of each test case will contain a binary string s, and in output we need to return maximum number of days Alice will be marked present after at most one operation. So after one operation, we need to tell that how many days she was present, right? And here are some constraints that is given to us, right? So if we take the example like this one, so as you can see here, that on this day she was absent, and on second day she was present, and subsequently absent for 2 days, and then present, and then absent, right? So here present is marked with P, and absent is marked with 0, right? So what will be the approach for this problem, and how can we return the maximum number of presents that she can get? So for that, what I did, I just do a simple approach, that firstly I will find the maximum length of the substring 0, right? For example, this substring of 0 is of length 1, right? And this substring of 0 has length 2, and this substring has length 1. So the maximum substring of 0 that has maximum length is this one, right? This one, right? The 2 one. What I will do, I'll take the length of this substring, that is 2, and add the number of ones in this substring, right? So the number of ones in this substring is 2, right? So it will become 4, right? So this is the simple approach. As you can see here also, that for this test case it is 4, right? Similarly, I can also take this test case also, And for this test case also, what I will find the maximum length of the substring 0, that contains 0. So this substring contains 0 and has the length of 2, and here this substring contains the 0 and the maximum length is 2. So the maximum length is 2 only. I'll take this length 2, add it with the number of ones that I'm having in this binary string, that is also 2, and 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, right? And the answer is also 4. For this one, the maximum length of the substring that contains 0 is 3, right? That is 3, and the number of ones that this substring is containing is 0. So 3 plus 0 is what? Is equals to 3 only, and the answer is 3, as you can see, right? So this is the code, and in this what I did, firstly the test case, after that the length of the string, then I inputted the binary string, and after that I have initialized here the length variable equals to 0, and I also initialize number of ones equals to 0, and then this maxi equals to 0. That will just tell the maximum length of a substring that contains a 0, right? Then I iterate over this string, and while iterating, what I did, for each iteration I compare if that character of the string is equals to 0 or not. If it is equals to 0, I simply do length plus plus, and in the next line I'll update my maxi equals to the max of maxi and length, right? And if it is not the case, then it will move to else part, and in else part, which means that if my si is not equals to 0, which means that it will be equals to 1, right? So which means that I need to update the number of ones, so my number of ones will be updated, and I will reinitialize my length equals to 0, right? For example, I am iterating from here, right? Length will become length plus plus, right? Initially the length was 0. When I am iterating, it states that it is equals to 0. The length will become 1. Again it will move to here, right? It is also equals to 0. The length will become 2, and my maxi will store first 1 and then 2, and when it encounters 1, my length will be reinitialized equals to 0, but my maxi will remains 2, right? So that's what my code is doing. And after that, what I did, I just simply add number of ones plus maxi and store it in answer variable, and then print that answer variable, right? So quite simple. So this is the solution for this problem. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Like, share, subscribe, जो करना है करो. Thank you for watching the video.